In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Squarespace with Zapier by setting up an API key and creating a Zap. This process will allow you to automatically trigger actions in Zapier whenever a specific event occurs on your Squarespace site, such as a new form submission, thus streamlining your workflow and saving valuable time. First, you'll need to access your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings area. Here, you'll find a variety of options that allow you to modify your site's configurations. You'll want to direct your attention to the Advanced menu. This section is where you can access developer settings, which are more technical tools designed for customizing your site's functionalities. Within Advanced, locate and select the option for Developer API Keys. This is the key area where you'll be creating a unique identifier that Zapier can use to interact with your Squarespace site. Click on Generate Key. This will start the process of producing your API key. It's a good idea to name your key something descriptive, such as Zapier Integration, to easily identify its purpose later on. Under Permissions, it's crucial to ensure that the Forms option is checked. This setting allows Zapier to access the form submissions on your website. If there are additional permissions you require, such as access to other account data or resources, take the time to select those as well. Once you've configured these settings to your satisfaction, click Next and then Generate Key. Your API key will now be created. Make sure to copy this key. It's a vital piece of information that you'll need to input into Zapier shortly. Now, let's shift our focus to your Zapier account. After logging in, you'll want to initiate the creation of a new workflow, or what Zapier calls a Zap. Click on the Create Zap button to begin. The first step in this process is to set up the trigger. In the Trigger section, use the search bar to locate and select Squarespace Forms. Choosing this integration will allow your Squarespace form submissions to act as the trigger event for your Zap. You'll then be prompted to choose the specific event you want to trigger your Zap, such as New Form Submission. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. If this is the first time you're connecting Zapier to your Squarespace account, you will need to input the API key you generated earlier. Follow the prompts to paste your API key when asked, thus linking the two platforms. With that connection established, you'll be able to choose the specific form from your Squarespace site that will act as the trigger. Finally, it's important to test the trigger by clicking the Test Trigger button. This step ensures that Zapier can successfully access and pull example data from your Squarespace form, confirming that your setup works as intended. By following these steps, you'll have effectively connected Squarespace to Zapier, automating tasks and smoothing out your workflow processes.